Are you ready to discover the latest Jackson Palmer tools on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest Jackson Palmer tools of all time. Today I am going to make video on LCD curved monitor of this year. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1. Product name Jackson Palmer Hardware Assortment Kit. The Jackson Palmer 2200-piece hardware assortment kit is a comprehensive collection designed to meet a wide array of hardware needs. This kit includes a diverse selection of screws, nuts, bolts, and washers, making it an invaluable resource for both professional tradespeople and DIY enthusiasts. The assortment is neatly organized, ensuring that users can quickly find the specific hardware they need without hassle. The kit is particularly beneficial for projects requiring multiple types and sizes of hardware, offering versatility and convenience in a single package. Its extensive inventory helps users avoid the frequent trips to hardware stores, saving both time and money. The high-quality components are crafted to meet rigorous standards, ensuring durability and reliability in various applications. Overall, the Jackson Palmer 2200-piece hardware assortment kit stands out for its extensive variety, organization, and the quality of its contents, making it a must-have for anyone engaged in construction, repair, or maintenance tasks. Product 2. Product name Jackson Palmer Ultimate Screwdriver Bit Set. The Jackson Palmer 218-piece Ultimate Screwdriver Bit Set is a comprehensive toolkit designed to meet a wide range of needs for both professional and DIY enthusiasts. Featuring high-grade carbon steel construction, this set promises durability and longevity, ensuring that the bits can withstand heavy use without wearing out quickly. One of the standout features of this set is its inclusion of hard-to-find security bits, making it an invaluable resource for tackling specialized tasks that require unique bit shapes and sizes. This extensive 218-piece collection covers various bit types and sizes, ensuring that users have the right tool for virtually any job. The high-grade carbon steel not only enhances the strength of the bits, but also provides resistance to corrosion, which is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the tools over time. The inclusion of security bits is particularly noteworthy, as these are often required for electronics, appliances, and other devices that use tamper-resistant screws. Overall, the Jackson Palmer 218-piece Ultimate Screwdriver Bit Set is designed to be a versatile and reliable addition to any toolkit, providing users with the essential tools needed for a wide array of applications. Whether for professional use or home projects, this set offers both breadth and quality, making it a valuable investment for anyone in need of. Product 3. Product name Jackson Palmer Professional Tool Belt. The Jackson Palmer Professional Tool Belt is a versatile and durable tool belt designed for professionals in various trades. Constructed with high-quality materials, this tool belt is built to withstand the rigors of daily use, providing both comfort and functionality. Key features of the Jackson Palmer Professional Tool Belt include multiple reinforced pockets and pouches, adjustable waist sizes to accommodate different body types, and sturdy fastening mechanisms to ensure tools remain securely in place. This tool belt is ideal for carpenters, electricians, plumbers, and other skilled workers who require easy access to their tools while on the job. Its ergonomic design aims to reduce strain and improve efficiency, making it a valuable addition to any professional's toolkit. Product 4. Product name Jackson Safety Pipe Measuring Tool. The Jackson Safety Pipe Measuring Tool, specifically the wraparound tape pipe fitting tool in medium size and black color, is designed to enhance accuracy and efficiency in pipe fitting tasks. This tool is widely utilized in various industries where precise pipe measurement and alignment are crucial. The wraparound tape is a flexible and durable tool, making it suitable for measuring and marking pipes of different diameters. Its medium size provides a versatile range for common pipe sizes, ensuring that users can achieve consistent and reliable measurements. The black color helps with visibility and contrast, making it easier to read measurements against various pipe surfaces. Constructed for durability, the Jackson Safety Pipe Measuring Tool is particularly useful for welders, pipe fitters, and maintenance professionals who require a dependable tool that can withstand the rigors of industrial environments. Its design allows for easy wrapping around pipes, ensuring that measurements are both quick and precise. This helps in reducing errors and improving the overall efficiency of pipe fitting operations. Product 5. Product name Jackson Palmer 1000-piece hardware assortment kit. The Jackson Palmer 1000-piece hardware assortment kit is an extensive collection of essential fasteners, including screws, nuts, bolts, and washers, tailored for both professional and DIY enthusiasts. This versatile kit is designed to offer a comprehensive selection of hardware components that are commonly required in various repair, maintenance, and construction projects. Key features: variety of components. The kit includes a wide range of screws, nuts, bolts, and washers in various sizes and types, ensuring that users have the right piece for nearly any task. This diversity makes it suitable for a multitude of applications, from household repairs to complex building projects. High-quality materials. Each piece in the kit is crafted from durable materials designed to withstand significant wear and tear, which ensures long-lasting performance. The materials are often treated to resist rust and corrosion, adding to their durability and reliability. Organization and convenience. The kit is organized in a sturdy, compartmentalized case, which helps keep the hardware sorted and easily accessible. Clear labeling and systematic arrangement of the components make it simple to find the exact piece needed without rummaging through a disorganized toolbox. Cost-effectiveness. Product 6. Product name Jackson Safety Lightweight Max View Premium Face Shield. The Jackson Safety Lightweight Max View Premium Face Shield with 370 speed dial ratcheting headgear is a high-quality protective equipment designed for comprehensive face protection in various industrial and laboratory settings. This face shield features a max view clear visor, providing a wide field of vision for enhanced visibility and safety. The visor is coated with an anti-fog treatment to ensure clarity even in humid or high-temperature environments, reducing the need for frequent adjustments or interruptions during tasks. One of the standout features of this face shield is the 370 speed dial ratcheting headgear. This advanced headgear system allows for quick and precise adjustments, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit for extended wear. The ratcheting mechanism is user-friendly and can be easily operated, providing a customizable fit for different head sizes and shapes. The lightweight design of the Jackson Safety Max View Face Shield minimizes strain on the wearer, making it ideal for long-duration use. Despite its lightweight, it offers robust protection against various workplace hazards, including chemical splashes, flying debris, and impacts.